humanoid hand V11. The artificial muscles are controlled by a specific hydraulic system that consists of airtight tubes. The controlled circulation of fluids within causes the hand to contract and relax, causing it to move. A few months ago, the inventors demonstrated that the robotic arm, despite weighing 2.2 pounds, can lift 15.6-pound dumbbells. However, engineers still need to improve the arms by adding muscles and removing common limitation for the wrist and fingers. Aegis Rider. Motorcycle riders are among the most vulnerable road users, and they are particularly vulnerable when making quick turns. Aegis Rider AG, a Swiss firm, has created a solution to this issue and has a fully functional prototype. A set of sensors, a camera, a satellite navigator, an EMU, and a computer make up the safety system. It evaluates the situation on the road and then instructs the rider on how to take the turn more safely. The motorcyclist sees the information thanks to virtual reality, which projects the best path to follow effectively on the road in front of their eyes. It also instructs the rider on how much to change the speed and angle of the bike in case of incorrect behavior. The Space. According to the Space Project, a residence that offers its owner with a high level of comfort while also standing out for its mobility. The Swedish business IO House has revolutionized the view of modern and self-sufficient houses. The developers propose transporting the structure like a trailer from one location to another quickly, easily, and without difficulty. It can be placed literally anywhere, even far away from the city, because the creators have already installed all of the necessary systems inside it, including electricity, heating, water, sewage, and Wi-Fi. The house is constructed with high-quality ecological components and is environmentally friendly. Housebots HB1. Several businesses are working on robots that can scale walls. HB1 from the British business Housebots is an example. It's a four-wheeled flat gadget with patented motion technology that climbs vertical surfaces using air currents to generate 92 pounds of downward force, which is enough to maintain the robot's weight plus another 13 pounds of payload. HB1 can even navigate tough terrain and overcome minor impediments such as cables and bolts. The robot's creators envision it being utilized for painting and observations of buildings and infrastructure in the future. Cyclone. The three vehicles we'll show you below were developed at the Russian Academy of Sciences Institute of Thermophysics, where experts use cyclic propulsion to construct a fundamentally new and revolutionary vehicle. The first is the Cyclolath, a small aircraft that is significantly quieter than modern helicopters and quadcopters. The cyclic motor allows the vehicle to vary the course of the thrust vector by 360 degrees, giving it mobility and allowing it to land safely even on sloping surfaces. In the first half of 2021, the Cyclo vehicle and Cycler drone were unveiled. The former is a 6-seater hover automobile with a hybrid propulsion system. According to plans, it will go 310 miles on a single charge and reach speeds of up to 155 miles per hour. On the other hand, the Cyclodron is a plane with a payload of 1,300 pounds, and the maiden flight is scheduled for 2022. Wizimo, Michelin. The following development will help to alleviate some of the recent environmental issues that humanity has faced. Michelin's Wizimo is an automated telescopic inflatable sail system that can be installed on either a new ship under construction or an older ship already in service. The huge sails propel the ship using the power of the wind, a completely free and inexhaustible source of energy, consuming less fuel and emitting fewer emissions. Another significant benefit is that, due to its unique design, Wizimo may also be utilized on larger, less environmentally friendly ships, such as roll-on/roll-off vessels, bulk carriers, and oil tankers. Quell. The system consists of a game played on a screen controllers and a special console worn on the body. The game mode makes you feel as if you are in a real fight. At the same time, the console offers resistance, forcing the athlete's efficiency and performance all without having to leave the house. The system comprises of a game played on a screen with controllers and a unique console worn on the body. The game mode simulates a real combat while the console provides resistance, driving the player to expend greater effort. Another benefit is that the system analyzes indications such as speed, striking accuracy, and frequency throughout training, allowing you to assess the program and see how far you've come. quote can be yours for $250. It turns out, rung duili, that very little adjustments to a motorcycle's design may considerably increase comfort and safety while riding. The Rung Diwali is a motorbike designed in the United States with an extra front wheel that enhances the vehicle's stability, making it more difficult to fall off. In comparison to its competitors, the researchers additionally lengthen the wheelbase, which improves cross-country performance. The Rung Diwali can easily move in muddy or snowy places and can tackle hills that are twice as steep. Macrobat. In 2021, the South African startup Fractal unveiled a prototype of a flying vehicle that resembles a bat. Experts hope that with this vehicle, Africa's severe transportation problems will be solved. Macrobat is powered by a 100 environmentally friendly electric propulsion system and is capable of vertical takeoff and landing. It's too early to talk about precise dimensions because no test flight has been scheduled yet, but the Macrobat is expected to have a range of 93 miles and attain speeds of up to 111 miles per hour. Zephyr S claimed the record for the longest continuous flight in 2018 when it stayed in the air for a period of 25 days, 23 hours, and 57 minutes. This was made possible by its unique design. First, the entire top portion of the vehicle is equipped with solar panels that create energy for the vehicle's systems to operate. Second, the Zephyr S travels in the stratosphere at a height of 13 miles, so it is not affected by weather conditions. The Zephyr S has an 82-foot wingspan, weighs 165 pounds, and can carry 5 times its own weight, making it suitable for reconnaissance surveillance and as a cost-effective alternative to communication satellites. The United Kingdom has already bought multiple of them. Acquired one. This is the world's first personal yacht that runs totally on renewable energy. The propulsion system is a hybrid, with part of the energy coming from solar panels on the roof and the rest coming from hydrogen fuel cells that don't need to be refueled. The green hydrogen is generated directly on board by electrolysis using solar energy and salt water, so the Aqua One has no range constraints and can stay at sea indefinitely. The Aqua One's interior has been designed to seem like a luxury hotel, so you won't want to leave. Last up is the Pininfarina Tierra, a completely autonomous concept car whose designers are so confident in its self-driving ability that they've removed the steering wheel entirely, replacing it with compact joysticks on each side that are only used in an emergency. Cab space has been used to install extra seats that can be reclined. Inside, instead of digital displays, there are projectors with augmented reality technology. Of course, this automobile by Italian company Pininfarina is electric and has every possibility of being the ultimate transport of the future. Hey guys, these gadgets were crazy, right? Subscribe to let us keep you guys updated in the world of technology. Leave a like and a comment if you want to support the video. We hope we see you back. Peace.